Hello traders, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Time now is around 6:30 and today is 22nd of June and today is a Bank Nifty expiry as well as Nifty expiry, right? Now there is a news in terms of US market. You know that we told in day before yesterday's video that Jerome Powell is going to come out and he is going to give a testimony. Now what he did is he gave a shocker to the market, that is he told that Federal Reserve is confirmed that more interest rate increase are likely ahead as inflation is well above where it should be. Now you have to understand they have a target of around 2% inflation, but inflation is still at 4%, which means they are going to increase the interest rate. Now that is a bad news. Day before yesterday, Dow Jones was down by 250 points. Yesterday it was down by 100 points, and now as I talk to you, US futures are kind of flat, right? Nasdaq was more down. It was down by more than 2.5% is what we saw in yesterday's market. So this might create a negative sentiment in the market, but SGX Nifty is not showing any sluggishness or any bearishness. In fact, it is flat or it is down by 31 points. SGX Nifty is down by 31 points, but I don't think this gap up, there is going to be any gap up. This gap down is, sorry, not any gap up. There is not going to be any gap down, and this gap down is not going to sustain, is what I believe. And we might be trading between a range which we are going to see in a few moments. And looking at the open interest, huge number of puts are being returned both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we might not, we are, first thing, we are going to open flat, and second thing is we might not go on the downside, is what I believe. So we'll see how things pan out. So make sure you stream this video fully. So this is what Jerome Powell has said. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell on Wednesday affirmed that more interest rate increase are likely ahead as inflation is well above where it should be. Inflation pressure continues to run high, and process of getting inflation back to 2% has a long way to go. Powell said that the labor market is still tight, though there are signs that conditions are losing. Now this is very important thing which he has told, and of course this is going to create a negativity in the market, and this negativity is not going to sustain. Maybe 2 or 3 days it is going to get over, right? Now we'll see about the charts. We'll forget about global market. Now what might happen today is the main thing here, right? Now let us see in terms of Nifty, since today is a Nifty expiry also and Bank Nifty expiry also, the probability of a market going to maximum, if you ask me, the downside, it might retrace to 18,800 level is what I expect. I don't see much downside. At the same time, high is around 18,887, so we may retrace 18,900. So we are going to have a calm expiry today, which is going to be where Nifty might expire between 18,800 to 18,900 is what is my expectation. Now why we are saying this is because today also he is going to give a testimony. He is also going to give a speech. What is going to be the speech, or what he is going to tell, whether he is going to talk negative or whether he is going to talk positive, we will have to wait and see, right? So till then market might be on a range. That is what is my expectation. Now you have to understand, he already indicated when they paused the interest rate last time, Federal Reserve paused the interest rate last time, they already told this is just, this pause doesn't mean they are going to pause the interest rate next time also. They have an inflation target of 2%. Still the inflation rate is around 4%. So don't think that they are going to, this pause is going to continue, or they are going to decrease the interest rate. They might increase the interest rate going forward. Is he has told this last time, or he has indicated this last time also. So this is not a big new news. Anyway, markets are reacting to this news. So T is going to expire between 18,800 to 18,900. 18,800 is a very strong support and immediate support for today. I'm talking I'm not talking about long term. Today I'm talking, today 18,800 is a good support. and maybe 18,800 900 is a strong resistance in terms of Nifty, and that is evident in open interest. People are writing huge number of 18,800, 18,850, and highest open interest is at around 18,800, and call side you can see 19,000 is having the highest open interest. So you can imagine 18,800 to 18,900, 19,000 is where Nifty is going to expire. And in terms of Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty, what we believe is that 43,700 is going to be a very stiff, strong support, and maybe on the higher side 44,000 is going to be a strong resistance. So we might expire between 43,000 44,000 is what I believe, and there is a we can't call this as a divergence. Maybe we will come down, but we are not going to come down drastically. And you know the Indian markets, right? Indian markets are super bullish. They want the market to go on the higher side. FIIs are pumping so much, and this is evident in open interest also. You can see people writing 43,700. In fact, huge number of puts are being written at 43,700, which means people believe that smart money believes that 43,700 is going to be a super strong support. This, even though we are talking extensively about open interest, this open interest is a lagging indicator and it may be taken out. So that's a whole different thing, but what you can get an idea what is going to happen. That's what I am saying, right? So 43,700, 43,500 is having a huge put writing, and you look at the call open interest at 44,000. Huge number of calls are active for today's expiry. Around 67.28 lakh calls are being written at Bank Nifty 44,000 strike, which means this might be the very strong resistance. 44,000 might be a very strong resistance. So you remember this, Nifty is going to expire between 18,700 to 19,000, and Bank Nifty might expire between 43,700 to around 44,000. That is a very short, a very small range. Of course, that is a very small range, but we markets are going to wait for today's testimony also. Then only they are going to react. That is what is my expectation. So we'll see how things pan out. We'll also see how SGX Nifty is performing. As of now, SGX Nifty is not updating. SGX Nifty is not updating, but Nasdaq was a stock which was down yesterday, drastically down yesterday. SGX Nifty is still down by around 31 points, right? So we might, as I told you, we might not gap down, we might open flat, and we'll see how US futures. See, even if the markets, US market or US futures are in the red, we are not likely to go on the downside. FIIs are pumping money, and I'm sure yesterday evening video we didn't get the FII data, because FII data was, we posted video quite bit early yesterday. Even if you see the FII figure, both FIIs and DIIs are net buyers. FIIs have bought for around 4,013 crores and DIIs have bought for 550 crores. So both FIIs and DIIs are net buyers, means you don't expect the market to come on the downside. Instead, you have to expect the market to go on the higher side, right? I hope I have summarized everything. Happy expiry day trading on Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'll see you in today evening video. Till then, take care. Bye.